Hi guys, welcome to Joy in the Kitchen. Today I will be showing you how to make my soft, fluffy, and delicious pancakes. In a large bowl, combine all your dry ingredients. "260 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, sift all your dry ingredients. This will ensure that you will get a lighter and fluffier pancake. Combine 520 ml sour milk with 2 large eggs, 25 grams of salted melted butter, 30 grams of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk until fully combined. Add your buttermilk mixture to your dry ingredients. Make sure not to overmix your batter or else you will get a dense pancake. Set aside your batter and let it rest for 5 minutes. Turn on your pancake pan and set it on medium heat. And when your pan is ready, pour 1/3 cup of batter to the pan. When you see the top side begins to bubble and the bottom is golden brown, flip the pancake and cook the other side until golden brown. Now you can assemble your pancakes. Top with some room temperature butter and maple syrup. If you like this video, go and hit the like and subscribe button.